It's me, Mikey Pipes, and we are in Long Beach, where the sea of condensers reside. Let's go see what's going on. All right, we got a faucet issue here. It's me, Peter Pan. Mowing.
The priority is the 4 or 6 hot water, but there's a problem with 4 or 5 powder room sink water.
Yeah, there's a problem here. But there's no problems, only solutions. It feels like we have to take this aerator out.
You're young and new. Is your son or who?
All right. So, mowing faucet, as you can see here. The problem with this faucet is the aerator was all jacked up, right? So for temporarily, I broke through the aerator, and now he's got water coming out of this nice powder room bathroom overlooking the ocean. All right. So first phase of this job is kind of complete. We just restored water. Now we're going to deal with hot water. Which one? You don't have a faucet, a toilet? This one? Oh, very nice. Baller status right here, ladies and gentlemen. We have, let's see, is there a, just want to show you people. Lifestyles of the rich and famous. All right, there's the Atlantic Ocean. All right, so there's the boardwalk. Nice kitchen. Now, look at that. That's nice little office. I know he's got pictures with Obama and Clinton. Nice. Nice. ¿Qué pasa? View, amazing view.
Yeah.
How much?
10 million.
Nah, it's too much.
No, that's the price.
No, it's not 10 million.
If you want it,
It's 5. It's 5 for both. 5 for both, not 10 million. 10 million penthouse.
No.
Penthouse, 8th floor, you get the roof too, and it's 4.
yeah, but over here, this you can jump to the water.
You can zip line.
Guys, no
You can zip line to the ocean. All right, let's fix the hot water here. First, let's turn the faucet on here. Make sure we have no hot water. Hold on, missing a refrigerator here, aren't we? Oh, this is not the kitchen. This is the kitchen of the.
This is bar.
This is the bar.
You can ask for something else, but no, appreciate.
This is the bar, but this would be a kitchen.
Yeah.
But it's not. All right, so the bar has no hot water. You need hot water in the bar. Now I have the same exact faucet at home. See, it says hot and cold. No, that says cold. Now it should be hot. I think this is a Brizia. I have the same exact faucet at home, but I got it in that brushed gold. The wife wanted. Spending my money. All right, let's go to the scene. Oh, that is a nice. Whatever. Okay. Let's go see, guys. Well, thank God it's not an avian. We have an NTI. It's an NTI. Alright. Oh, she don't look too well. Damn. There's no way that's 30 PSI. Alright. Here's a pipe. Here's the other pipe. It's warm, but let's figure out what's going on with this NTI. All right, it's not an avian, but it's an NTI. All right, and as you can see, the hot surface igniter energizes, heats up, but I don't have ignition. What do you think the problem is?
No.
Don't look at what I'm doing. We want to surprise the people.
You want my guess?
Yeah, take a guess. You don't have ignition. What would you suspect?
A gas problem.
And
That's what I would
that's
think.
like you're getting to a car, right?
Yeah.
And you try to start it, but it won't start because there's no gas.
Mhm.
So it's a reasonable answer. What do you guys think? Why do you think we don't have ignition? Let me get your thoughts and feedback before we continue in the comment section. What's nice about having a phone and recording things is that could have been a day, a minute, an hour, a week. I'm still wearing this stupid effing mask hole. Actually, it's like a chin bib. Bib, right? And I asked her, I was like, yo, where's your mask? She goes, I don't need one. I work here. I'm like, and I'm getting my booster shot today. I'm getting my booster. Let's jump in there. I'm getting my booster shot today. That's what she's saying to me. I'm like, a sheep.
Being that excited.
All right. Have you guys guessed what the problem here is? Right? And look, yesterday I was closed. That's fine. But if I open it back up, it's not going to make a difference. Why do you think this NTI is not igniting? And the answer is very simple. Never overlook the obvious, right? Always think simple, right? Always think simple. So one of the first things you want to do when you have a condition of no ignition is seeing if there is any gas, or measure the gas pressure. You can measure the gas pressure at the valve, or you could hook up a manometer to here, and if we open up the gas like this, right, and I just walk away, then that'd be a problem because it's filling up the room with gas.
Yeah.
But the gas is off. There's no gas. No bueno. No gas. No fire.
All right.
That's the problem here. There's no gas feeding this NTI gas boiler. Oh look, someone did a combustion test. Wow. I am impressed. I really am impressed.
Yeah.
I thought I was the only one. I really did. And that's not like one of my company's plugs. That's just someone else's plugs. And they put like the blue block on it too. See that?
All out.
They went all out? Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's hook up this unit back up and let the building manager know that the reason why this owner does not have any hot water is because there's no fuel. All right, now let's go back to the other bathroom and let's get Moen on the phone. Wow. All right, let's get Moen on the phone and get a part number for this aerator.
How are you doing today?
Alex, you said?
Yes, sir.
Hi, how can I help you? My name is Mikey Pipes. Oh my God, back to back.
Have a call for
Oh, that's not, but this is what we need. I called up Moen and they said that the tool comes with the new aerator, and nonetheless, he's got water. All right, I'll give him the option that, we can buy it online, we can send it to him. Oh look, there's a 10-pack, 5-pack for $5. And I could tell him, listen, for another hour coming out here, which is $225, plus the part marked up, about 400%. So you have an aerator, you have $1 million aerator. Or you have functional water. Look at this. Like you're washing your hands after you make hockey, like this. You're sitting on a toilet bowl, right? You do your business. They're missing the bidet seat, right? Why don't they have a bidet seat here?
I don't know.
Right? It must not be Oriental. If they were Oriental, they would have it.
Agreed.
So you're sitting here doing your business, right? And you grab the paper and you do your business, and then you go right here. You wipe the cocky off your hand, but there and there. You have soap there too, and you're good. Makes sense to me. Does it make sense to you?
Makes a lot of sense.
Makes a perfect sense. Can't you see? It all makes perfect sense, expressed in dollars and cents, pounds, shillings, and pence. Can't you see? It all makes perfect sense.
I've never heard that song.
You've never heard that song?
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, you hear this? He's never heard of Pink Floyd and Perfect Sense.
Oh, that's Pink Floyd?
Yes, Pink Floyd.
Oh, I know them, kind of. I don't listen to them, though.
All right. Let's put that back where it belongs. Let's go give Marilyn the great news that after you do business, make cocky in the toilet bowl, you wash your hands with water that works. And it works for me. But then again, I don't live in an oceanfront Taj Mahal. You know, with 2 elevators. Got an elevator there and an elevator on the other side. If you don't believe me, watch it.
It smells like money. Just
The money's in the air.
It smells expensive.
All right, but let's watch this. All right? Let's close the door. Elevator. All right? See? Watch this. Uncut, unedited, raw. Raw. And you guys, you better start smashing that thumbs up on how I feed you people. Nourishment and nutrition. See? I thought I was bullshitting them.
You weren't.
I wasn't. I keep it real. All right, let's press down. We have to go to floor number 2. And stick it right there and right there. Come on, you can laugh. You want to laugh. You're done. You're just a Catholic school boy, you know. You mean well. Were there nuns there?
Nuns were.
When you went to Catholic
Yeah.
school? Did they beat you like with a ruler?
No.
You never got beaten with a stick?
Thankfully not, no.
No.
If they beat me with a stick, I wouldn't go to school there.
But your younger brother still goes there, right? The one who, someone in the school ratted him out for masks, right?
Probably.
Oh, Daniel was telling me. All right, let's go give her the great news. This is the conference room. She's locked.
Don't come in here, I don't wanna see you.
Come on, open the door. Beautiful. Hi, beautiful. All right. Let's review. Okay, number 1. The faucet wasn't putting out water, right? It was filled with cocky, basically, right? I broke the aerator to take it out because you need a special tool to take them. And the tool comes with an aerator, which we can buy from Moen. The question is, do you want me to just mail it to you? And that way you can have like one of your guys put it in for him. It's very easy. Or do you want me to schedule a service call for him, come back, charge him an hour for a $15 part? So that's number 1. Number 2, the no hot water for the R side, whatever apartment that is, the second, the wing. The gas isn't on.
Gas is not.
There's no gas to that boiler.
So what do you mean?
So we have to go to the meters and see if the meter is closed. It's probably locked. You said he just moved in, right?
Okay, who's gonna meet on?
Let's go to the meters.
I don't know. Who was it?
National Grid, yes.
Yeah, National Grid?
After you.
It's cold out. Is it cold outside?
Is it cold out? It's 55 degrees. Today's the last day of like summer, by the way. Is your pool's open? The pool's open year round.
Yeah, it's indoor. The hot tub is closed.
Hot tub's outside.
Yeah.
So why did they tell the walls downstairs on tile first? No one's answering. No one gives me an answer. Was it Mr. Brodsky?
We're changing these floors. We're not doing this.
This is new, right?
Yeah, they don't like it.
They don't like
We're getting something, yeah. We're gonna get porcelain tile.
Get the stick on linoleum tiles from Home Depot and then call it a day.
This is what this is, and they don't want it.
Well, what they pay in maintenance a month.
I don't get it. I just suggest, the renovation, interior renovation, I don't even suggest, I just go along and I just shake my head. The outside I'm concerned about, I have to just make sure the building doesn't
Fall down. We don't want any surf side. Oh, too soon. Too soon.
I know.
You're the
Yeah,
keys to
that's
this
fine. I just have to find it.
gas meter. All right. Let's see.
Just turn the light on.
Here we go. All right. 40. Are they labeled?
It should be.
Let's look for any that are off.
I see 4, 5. 5.
Let's look for one that's off, and there it is.
Got it? There it is. Oh, you see it.
406.
Okay, yeah.
So you need to call National Grid. How long has the apartment been empty?
They moved out probably, it's gonna be 2 months, I think, they moved out.
Okay. He needs to
End of
call.
September.
He needs to call the whoever owns the place or his representative needs to call National Grid to reestablish service for that apartment. Because they need to unlock it, and he may or may not need to do a pressure test on the gas piping to make sure it's solid and leak free.
Okay, so he needs to call National Grid.
Yeah, or his representative. So a responsible party has to call to restore service to that apartment. Now, if he has a service to the other apartment, they just have to merge the two together for billing purposes. But it is 2 separate meters,
Yeah.
so it's 2 separate bills.
Yes.
But they'll consolidate it. But they need to restore service.
Okay,
Okay?
all right, so I'll tell him he has to call National Grid.
Yes.
And then,
And I'm going to order an aerator. We'll bill it to him, and then we'll send it to you. And you have
okay.
Miguel just throw it on there.
Okay.
I did remove it, so it comes out nice. It's just that it's like a lot of water at once. Now I could just lower the close the valves underneath a little bit, so he doesn't even need to get it. But you know,
Okay.
$5 million part, might as well have the right functional force at 100%, right? Easy peasy. You wore the mask when we were walking. My mask is in my pocket.
I didn't even realize it was on.
All right, we have one more in Long Beach, and we'll see if it makes a separate video, but probably be a separate video because I got a backlog. I got to store videos. The problem is I shove so much video down their throats, Peter, and then like on the weekends, like I gotta like go through the vaults to come up with content. It's hard.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. And especially I've been doing a lot of new strategies with the utilizing all of YouTube's like studio features. Mm-hmm. It's crazy. Views are up like 100,000 views in 30 days. Like it's sick.
50K subscriber party coming soon.
50K subscribers. 50K subscribers. 50K subscribers! Where are you? Where are you? Don't you know I'm a lunatic? Don't you know? Do you want me to shove more content down your throat? If yes, then you need to start smashing that thumbs up button and make sure you share this channel with every single person in the world that you know. Every single person. Do it now. Forget about a 50,000 subscriber party. Imagine we have 5 million subscribers. That's right. Don't worry, we're still going to have 50,000 subscriber party. Don't worry, it's coming. To a nice warm locale. Beach. With a pool. Maybe even the beach. Maybe it'll be in Florida. Oh.
With DeSantis.
With Ron DeSantis. Yes, maybe we'll invite Ron DeSantis to the pool party.
That would be sweet.
That would be epic. And then we have, entertainment. You have to have entertainment. And yeah, it's gonna be nice. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. Don't you know I'm a psycho? Arrgh!